So it's time for the big reveal.
I'm so excited. We're here in Optima, and you've been following us along all this time with this gorgeous green. Oh my gosh. And we're here to show you what the floor looks like that was just put in.
So
Are you
let's
ready?
tear up some of this covering. You ready? I'll take this, you take there.
Oh my God, isn't that gorgeous?
Look at this.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Clean it up. So across the entire condo, they now have this engineered marble flooring here. You can't see the full size of the tile, but they're 3 foot by 5.5 foot
Exactly.
big tiles.
Huge tile.
And you know, Julie, approximately what do you pay for cultured marble like this?
I think these are running approximately $22 a square foot.
I mean,
So this ought to just be stunning. I can't wait to see it all the way throughout.
it will really class this place up and just open it up and really make it nice and bright and
Oh, it will.
clean.
It'll be beautiful.
So keep following along with us. Now that we have to the point that the floors are done, the wall is built, every week we're gonna have more big reveals.
Until we're ready to open the door and put it on the market. If you'd like to know more about any of the condos here at Optima Camelview, give us a call. I'm Julie Jermolowski.
And I'm Andrea Lilienfeld. And we're with the K Great Group, part of my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona.